Dear student, very warm good morning all of you. Chapter 13.2 first question. A solid is in the shape of a cone, that is a cone. Stand on the hemisphere, that is a hemisphere, with both their radii being equal to 1 centimeter. So that means radius is equal to 1 centimeter and height of the cone is equal to its radius, that is a 1 centimeter. Find the volume of the solid in the term of pi. So volume of solid is equal to, that is a cone volume, and this is the hemisphere volume. So 1 upon 3 pi r square is common, so h is left, here is r left. And then 1 upon 3 pi into 1 square, that 1 plus 2 into 1. So that 1 upon 3 pi into, that is 3 cancel by 3. So pi centimeter cube. Now second question. An engineering student was asked to make a model shaped like a cylinder with two cones attached at its two end by using the aluminum sheet. That is a one cylinder and two cone is given in there. The diameter of the model is 3 centimeter, so that is a 3 centimeter. So r is equal to 3.2 centimeter. And then its length of this one is a 12 centimeter, so that is a 12 centimeter. If each cone has a height of 2 centimeter, that is a 2 centimeter height of cone. A small letter taken. Find the volume of the air contained model to that vessel made. So we need to height of a cylinder also. So height of cylinder is equal to 12 minus 4 because 2 hair less, that is a 8 centimeter. The volume is equal to volume of cylinder pi r square h plus 2 cone, 2 multiply 1 upon 3 pi r square h. So pi r square is LCM, that is a common, plus 2 upon 3, that is h. That 22 upon 7 into 3 upon 2 into 3 upon 2, that value of r. H is 8 plus, that is 2 upon 3 into, that height is 2. 2 11 ja, so 11 9 ja 99 upon 7 2 ja 14 into that it's a 24 4 28 upon 3 14 2 ja 28 3 13 ja, that will be 33 2 ja 66 centimeter cube. And then third question. A gulab jamun contains sugar syrup up to about 30% of its volume. Find approximately how much syrup would be found in 45 gulab jamun, each shaped like a cylinder with two hemispheres. So first of all we will draw the diagram. This is a gulab jamun, cylindrical. Two hemisphere is attached here. So that diameter is equal to 2.8 centimeter or centimeter. So r will be 1.4 centimeter. Next, total length is, so we need to height of cylinder also. So height is equal to, that will be 5 minus 2.8. Both radius, this radius and this radius subtract. So that will be 2.2 centimeter. Now, volume of 45 gulab jamun. Volume of 45 gulab jamun. That gulab jamun is equal to that 45 bracket. That volume of cylinder pi r square h plus pi r square h plus volume of two hemisphere means one sphere, that is a 4 upon 3 pi r cube. That will be, now pi r square is common, so that 45 pi r square is common, so that left is h plus 4 upon 3 r. Now the value. Now we will place the value, that will be 45 into that pi value is not given here. So 22 upon 7 into R is 1.4 into 1.4 bracket H value is 2.2 plus that 4 upon 3 into R value is 1.4 and then 7 2 ja 14. 7 2 ja 14. The multiply of both that will be 9 into 22 into 1.4 and then 2.2 plus 14 4 ja 5.6 upon 3 and then after you will be see here this is just lengthy type of question, this one. That see 9 into 9 into 22 into 1.4 into that will be 3 to the 6, 3 to the 6, 6.6, 5.6 upon that will be 662, 66 12, 12.2, 12.2 upon 3, 3 3 ja 9, 3 3 ja 9, 3 3 ja 9 that will be then after that answer will become 0.28 centimeter cube. Not this is not a final answer, that is the only volume of the that one our 45 gulab jamun. So sugar is equal to that will be 30% into 1127 decimal 28 upon 100 that cancel. So that now the multiply we will do that 3 8 ja 24, 3 2 ja 6 7 8, 3 7 ja 21, 3 2 ja 6 7 8, 3 1 ja 3, 3 1 ja 3 and then decimal we will place that here because 1 0 is also there. So this is a 338 point sugar that will be centimeter cube or in approximately you can write also that one 338 centimeter cube. This is the final answer. Now the question number 4, that is a pen stand made of the diagram is given here, wood in the shape of a cuboid with 4 conical depression to hold pen. The dimension of the cuboid are 15 centimeter, 10 centimeter and 3.5 centimeter. So that is fourth question. So L is equal to 15 centimeter, B is equal to 10 centimeter and then H is equal to 3.5 centimeter. These are the spherical thing and then the radius of the depression of 0.5. So R is equal to 0.5 centimeter and then depth, it means height is equal to that is 1.4 centimeter. Find the volume of wood in the entire stand. So here volume of wood is equal to that volume of cuboid L into B into H and then minus 4 cone we are cutting from here. So 4 into 1 upon 3 pi r square H. So that this has cut out. So that left is this. So 15 into 10 into 3.5 minus 4 upon 3 into pi value is not given here. So 22 upon 7 into that r is decimal 5 into 1.4. So that 7 2 ja. So that will be 15 5 ja 75 and then carry is 7, 15 3 ja 45, 52, that is 5 2 and then minus multiply of that these two, 5 20 4 decimal 4 upon 3, by the cancel of that one, that will be 3 1 ja 3 and then decimal 1 is left, so 3 4 ja 12 and then 2 3 7 ja, we can see that here. So that will be by subtraction 10 less 7 3, 9 less 5 and then 4 less 1 3 2 5 centimeter cube. 5 2 3 decimal 5 3 centimeter cube is left also. And then question number 5. Question number 5 is that a vessel in the form of a inverted cone, its height is 8 centimeter. So that height is equal to 8 centimeter and then the radius of its top which is open, the 5 centimeter, that is a radius is equal to 5 centimeter and then it fill its with water up to brim when lid short each of which of the sphere of radius decimal 5 centimeter. So that is a R, radius of sphere is equal to decimal 5 centimeter and then dropped into the vessel 1/4 of the water flow out, find the number of drop in the vessel. So number of drop is equal to number of drops is equal to that volume of cone, that is 1/3 pi r square h upon volume of sphere, that drop volume 4/3 pi r cube, that 3 cancel by 3, 4 cancel by pi, cancel by pi. So that this one r is 5 into 8 upon, this is a decimal 5 into decimal 5 into decimal 5. So that cancel and then 4 is also left here, 4 is also here, this 4. Now 1 2 3, so that 1 2 3 0 will come, 4 2 ja, that 1 2 3, 1 2 is cancelled by 3, 5 4 ja 20, that will be 4 and then 4 2 ja 8, 5 4 ja 20, 5 cancel by that 5 and then that will be left that will be 1/3 4 or that 1 and then you know that we are applying here 1/4. So 1/4 will be also apply here, so that will be 1 more 4 will become, 1 more 4 will become, so 4 1 ja 4. So that is total drop is 100. 1/4 we are applying here. And then question number 6. Question number 6 that a solid iron pole consists of a cylinder of height is that 6 centimeter. So height is equal to 220 centimeter and then that diameter is equal to, that will be 24 centimeter. So that radius will be, sorry, diameter also we can take the capital letter because 2 are there, 12 centimeter and then which is surmounted by another cylinder, height is, that is height is 60 centimeter and then diameter is equal to, that is not given the diameter, directly given the radius. Radius is equal to 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter. Find the mass. Find the mass of the pole. So that volume of both poles is equal to, that will be volume of first pole, pi r square h plus pi r square h. That pi is common, so that r square h plus r square h. Because both r and h are the different, so I have written like this, capital or small letter. So that pi value is not given here. Pi value is given here 3.14. 3.14 bracket. R is 12 into 220 plus R is 8 into that is 60. Then 3.14 bracket. 12 12 ja 124. 12 12 ja 144, and then by 22. 2 4 ja 8, 2 4 ja 8, 2 1 ja 2, 8 8, 2 8, 16, 11, 3. 3 1 6 8. 3 1 6 8 plus 8 8 ja 64, and then by 6. 6 4 ja 24. Carry 2 6 ja 36, 37, 38. 38, 40. And then this one 0 also is left here. And then 3.14 into that 0 0. 8 4 12, carry 1. 8 6 14 1 15, carry 1. 3 1 4 5 3, and then the both of the multiply, that will be 111 3 5 5 2 0, that 111, that will be 5328 5328 decimal 8 centimeter cube. This is the volume. Now the mass. Now the mass is equal to that will be given here 1 centimeter is equal to 8 gram. 1 centimeter is equal to 8 gram. So that 11532 decimal 8 into 8. 8 into 8. That will be 8922. 8922. That 62.4 gram. 4 gram. But this amount you are looking the very large, so we will convert in that one in kg also. So that will be 892.262 kg we can write here, kg. That is our final answer. Now the 7th question. A solid consisting of a right circular cone of height 120 centimeter, and that is a height is equal to 120 centimeter, and then radius is equal to is given 60 centimeter, and then standing on a hemisphere of radius 60 centimeter, that is also same thing, and then is placed upright in the right circular cylinder full of water such that the touch the bottom. Find the volume of water left in the cylinder if the radius of cylinder is, that is r is equal to 60 centimeter. On that is the same r, so we can write here small r, and then h is equal to 180. So that h is equal to 180 centimeter. So left water is equal to volume of cylinder pi r square h minus that cone is there, so that 1 upon 3 pi r square h minus hemisphere is also there, so 2 upon 3 pi r cube, so here we can take the common pi r square, so that will be h minus 1 upon 3 h minus 2 upon 3 r, and then pi value is not given, so 22 upon 7 into that r is 60 into 60, and then h value is that 180 minus 1 upon 3 into that h is 120, that minus 2 upon 3 into r is 60, then 22 upon 7 into 6 6 ja 36, and then bracket 180 minus 3 4 ja, that is 40, 3 2 ja, that will be also 40, and then 22 upon 7 into 3600 multiply, that will be 100, now that we will do the multiply. In this question, multiply, divide, add, subtract are the very larger, that will be that multiply 36 and 22, 2 6 ja 12, 2 3 ja 6 1 7, 7 2 2 9 7, so that is 792, and then how many zeros are there? 4, 1 2 3 4, and then upon 7 also by the divide, that will be 11 31 42, 11 31 42, that will be 8.571 centimeter cube, or we will convert in meter, so that will become 1.131 meter cube answer, 1.131. And then last question, a spherical glass vessel of a cylinder neck 8 centimeter, so that is a height is equal to 8 centimeter, and then 2 centimeter diameter, so that diameter is 2 centimeter, so r will be 1 centimeter. After that the diameter of a spherical is that one 8 centimeter, so that is a diameter 8.5 centimeter, so that r will be, obviously that will be 8.5 upon 2, that is a better than. Now volume of, by measuring the amount of the water, hold the child, find the volume of 345, check whether it's correct or in. So volume of that only we will write a volume, so volume is equal to that volume of sphere 4 upon 3 pi r cube plus volume of cylinder pi r square h, so that pi can be take the common, so 4 upon 3 r cube plus r square h, so that pi value is given here 3.14, so that 4 upon 3 into r is 8.5 upon 2 into 8.5 upon 2, that 3 time into 8.5 upon 2 plus r is that 1 into 8, and then after 3.14, 2 2 ja 2, I cancel by 2, so that will be by 3 that will be not cancelled, so that 3 2 just 6 will be come here, that 614.125 upon 6 plus 8, that is 614.125 by the cancel of that one, that will be 102.25, 102.25 by the cancel of 2, that is the approx value, not that one is a 114 into, that will be 110.25, 110.25, and then after the multiply that will become 346 point, that will be 346.51 approximately 51 centimeter cube. It means child is wrong because that answer is 345 millimeter. Okay.